Hi, I'm Mike Morrison, National Sales Director for WS Display. Today I'd like to stop just a few minutes in the basement and show you our product for a backlit light box that's very successful in the marketplace for several reasons. Number one, most people that make a light box, it's real big, it's bulky, it uses tools, it's hard to put together. If you have little bitty parts, you lose them, and then you lose your religion on top of that. We've put together what's known as the Vail Lightbox. From the Vail Extrusion Line of our Resort Extrusion Line at WS Display. It's tools free, easy to work with, it's backlit with our ladder lights, and it's just real nice to work with. And what I'm going to do today is show you how it goes together with these tools free parts to kind of give you an idea of how easy it is to set up. And also another advantage is it's very cost effective, it's very competitively priced in the marketplace. So I want to show you those today. So the Vail extrusion we're going to use today is a 120 millimeter wide Vail 120 dB, and this extrusion is utilized most often for permanent as well as portable displays, and it's very easy to work with. SEG channels on both sides, obviously, for a two-sided light box. So this one is going to be a 2 foot by 3 foot light box that I'm going to assemble. So you see the 4 pieces that are here, as well as the tools-free connectors and some other parts we'll show you in just a second. So the first thing we'll do is we'll take this extrusion, which is the 2 foot wide bottom extrusion, and we'll place it as if it were on the ground. In this case, we're using our counter to assemble everything with today to give you a little raised level view. And then these are our Vail connectors, tools-free, and they're very simple to use. You just simply take one in and slide it into the channel and press it down like so. You do the same thing on the other side. You slide it in and you press it down. So at this point, what we're going to do is start building up the sides. In this case, here's our 3 foot tall section of extrusion, and we're going to take it and we're going to slide it down that same channel here to make the miter connection. When you do that, you literally take this button and push it up, and now you've made a mechanical connection. And we'll do the same thing on the other side. We'll take the other extrusion that's 3 foot long, come to this side, find the connector, slide it down, and push up, and it's as simple as that. Now all three of your 4 sides are already assembled in literally less than 10 seconds. So I've raised the camera angle just a little bit so I could show you the next steps, because all that's left is the top horizontal piece, which is here. But before we assemble that, what we need to do is take a couple of J-hooks, which are right here, and all they do is slide into the channel. You have 2 of them, and what they do is they hold the ladder lights together, like so, when they're suspended in this, inside of the light box, and I'll show you that in just a second. And then, of course, we'll take our other 2 connectors, our tools-free connectors, and slide them into each end before we start to assemble it together, like so. Now it's ready to finish. So as you can tell, I've just literally taken the top horizontal beam and slid it down on top of the 2 verticals, have pushed the connectors together. The J-hooks are ready to accept the ladder lights, and the frame is built literally that fast. So that's the beauty of the Vail SEG Lightbox frame, is that it goes together literally in very short minutes if it's this size, and even if it's an 8x10 or an 8x8, you could probably put it together in less than 5 minutes. Now, the J-hooks here are ready to accept the ladder lights, the 2-sided LED light structure that we have here, ready to go. And all we literally do is just take it, put it inside the frame, as you can tell here, and hang it, just like that. They're hanging ladder lights. And at the bottom, there are 2 little bungees, and all we do with them is put them over the clips in order to give tension, and it keeps the lights from wavering back and forth on your structure. And you're now set and ready to go. Literally got a couple of connectors for the transformer. You literally just slide them together like so, and they snap together, and you are ready to continue with the final step, which is putting on your graphic. All right, so the graphic is on the frame. Everything is complete. We have a backlit SEG light box made from WS Display's Vail extrusion, ladder lights, and our backlit graphics. Very cost competitive. Very fast turnaround time, tools, free connections, can't ask for more. Give me a call. Contact information is right there at the bottom of the screen. Would love to earn your business in 2016 with WS Display.